Today, we're doing something powerful and maybe a little uncomfortable. We're going to tap for a specific amount of money. Now, before your brain jumps in with all the reasons why that sounds unrealistic, I want you to stay with me because the goal here isn't just to think about money, it's to notice what happens inside of you when you do. Because whatever comes up, the excitement, the doubt, the fear, the I couldn't handle that, those reactions are exactly what's standing between you and actually having it. And that's what we're clearing today. So here's what I want you to do. Close your eyes, take a slow breath in, hold it, and exhale. Think about a specific amount of money. I'm going to use $1 million, but choose whatever number feels both exciting and slightly out of reach for you. Really allow yourself to imagine having it. What would you do with it? How would your life look? Notice the good feelings that come up, and then notice anything that doesn't feel so comfortable. The fears, the doubts, the quiet voice that says you shouldn't want it, couldn't handle it, or don't deserve it. Those uncomfortable feelings are the blocks. And EFT is exactly the tool we need to clear them. EFT, or emotional freedom techniques, works by combining focused awareness with tapping on specific acupressure points on the body. When you hold a belief or emotional block in mind while tapping, your nervous system begins to calm and the charge behind that block starts to dissolve. So today we're using tapping specifically to clear the hidden programming around money. The part that says it's wrong to want more, that part that doesn't feel safe receiving it, and the part that quietly believes it isn't really available to you. So you can become genuinely open to what's already out there waiting for you. Let's go through the tapping points before we begin. We start at the karate chop point on the side of the hand, and then we move through the inside of the eyebrow, the side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, the chin, the collarbone, under the arm, and on the top of the head. That completes one round of tapping. You can tap on either side of the body. You can use one hand or two hands. I prefer two, and you can use 2 fingers or 3 fingers, whatever feels natural. Now close your eyes again. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, and bring that number back to your mind, the amount of money that you want. Feel into what it would mean to actually have it. And on a scale from 1 to 10, how much resistance comes up when thinking about that number? That uneasy feeling, that quiet, yeah, but notice the number. Now take a slow breath in, hold it, and exhale. Now let's begin tapping on the karate chop point and repeat after me. So tap and repeat after me. Even though part of me resists having this kind of money, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though something inside me says I shouldn't want this much or couldn't handle it, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though I have all this old programming around money pulling me in different directions, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm open to clearing all of it. Part of me says I shouldn't even want this much money. Let's do that again. Start on the eyebrow. Part of me says I shouldn't even want this much money. Part of me says it's wrong to want it. Part of me says I couldn't handle it. If I had that kind of money, I'd be rich. And part of me says that's not okay. All this old programming telling me I should want it, and all this old programming telling me I shouldn't. All this programming saying I couldn't have it. All this resistance. All this fear. I'm choosing to clear all of it now. Because far more important than the number is what I actually want from my life. And I'm giving myself permission to want that fully. I'm clearing any belief that money is wrong. I'm clearing any belief that I don't deserve it. I'm clearing any belief that I couldn't handle it. Because the more I allow myself to have what I want, the more I can show up for others. This is a win-win. My abundance doesn't take from anyone. It allows me to give more. I'm already open to abundance. I can see as many leaves on the trees as anyone else, as many stars in the sky. Abundance is already all around me. I'm just clearing what's been limiting my share of it. I'm clearing this resistance. I'm clearing this fear. I'm allowing myself to be the kind of person who has this. If I choose to have this kind of money, I'm choosing to become someone who can hold it. Someone who can handle it. Someone who uses it well. And I choose to know that I can do that. I am already open to all the abundance in the world. Now I'm allowing the money to show up so I can do what I came here to do. I am open. I am ready. I am worthy of this. I am becoming the person who has it. In my body, in my mind, and in my spirits. I'm allowing this, and it feels so good. Take a slow breath in, hold it, exhale. Close your eyes and feel into that number again. Where is the resistance now? Has something softened? That shift you feel, even if it's subtle, it's your nervous system starting to update its programming around what's available to you. When you feel like a person who can have this, you start thinking like that person, acting like that person, and taking opportunities you would have walked right past before. That's not magic, that's alignment. The money is out there, the opportunities are out there. The only thing that was ever really in the way was the story quietly running in the background telling you it wasn't for you. And today you started rewriting that story. So drink some water before you move on, because this kind of internal work shifts your state and your nervous system. And hydration helps your body integrate those changes fully. So thank you for doing this work, and I'll see you in the next video.